Oh my god. The kitchen's filled with naked ladies. I'm Janet Decay the Mummy.
And I'm Grimm Gorri the Monkey.
And together we host
The Mummy and the Monkey's Hairy Scary Hangout.
Friday nights on Facebook Live.
Well, that was interesting.
Whoa.
Wow.
Alright, have you guys ever picked up a box of old plastic dolls or action figures, random little toys from like flea markets, yard sales, thrift stores, and then you need to clean them up for eBay? So here's some tips and tricks on how to clean up some dolls, like your Barbie dolls, your action figures, stuff like that. How you can make them look nice and pretty or handsome for the pictures. So what do you think of all the naked ladies in the kitchen?
Naked ladies in the kitchen, where? Hey, look, that's your thing. It's whatever you're into, I don't know. Different strokes for different folks is what I say. Hey, you know?
Alright, well I have a lot of naked people in the kitchen right now. I'm feeling a little embarrassed. I don't know if this is going to get flagged on YouTube or not. There's all these naked women lying around. And there's Bam Bam from the Flintstones. He was in our podcast recently, and I did condition his hair. Oh, there he goes. He's focused now. I did condition his hair, and I took a magic eraser and wiped off his face. He was covered in like dirt and dust and stuff, so he's drying here on the counter. And then this is a doll I picked up. Will it focus? There she is. This is PJ. PJ was Barbie's friend from 1966. She has rooted eyelashes. And if you look, she's supposed to have pigtails. Her hair has a part down the middle. And she's really, really cute. I have some other 1960s Barbie stuff I'm going to research and clean up. But I know this is good. I paid $20 for the whole case. And I know PJ might bring $40 to $60. I think that could be very good, along with all the other extra stuff I got to go through. But this is, I think, a maxi doll from the 1980s, made by Hasbro. I've got three maxi dolls. So there's the girls there. I'm not sure on this doll who she is. She's got really, really long hair, and her hair was a pain in the butt to try to fix. It was all knotted up, and she's got freckles. And she almost has like a Skipper kind of body. So maybe she's a Courtney doll. Courtney was Skipper's brunette friend. And I think sometimes they gave Courtney freckles. This cute girl's a fashionista. I've got some Barbie fashionistas here. There's a redhead. There's this girl with the brown hair. There's this girl with really straight brown hair. And they had, sometimes at the thrift stores, they'll draw on the leg in grease paint. Or not grease paint, but a grease pen. It's like a type of crayon or a pen. And the magic eraser, this is all gross because I was using it, but those magic eraser scrubbies really clean them up. And then if they're real stubborn and there's still crayon marks or pen marks, I've got a little bit of coconut oil in this little cup. So I'll dab a little bit of coconut oil on it and then use this, and that pulls up the ink or whatever. So far, so good on these girls. They're drying right now, and then later I can find them little outfits and make them look pretty for pictures and put them on eBay. Now, this just doesn't apply to Barbie dolls or baby dolls. This can also apply to action figures like your G.I. Joe, your TMNT, your Ninja Turtles. Any plastic figurine or toy, really. The only thing you have to be careful of, if you scrub too hard with those magic erasers, it can pull the paint right off of them. So like if I'm cleaning Dolly's face, or G.I. Joe's face, or Michelangelo's face, you have to be careful so you don't pull up the original paint job, because that would be no good. So use at your own risk with that type of thing. But those girls are drying off, and then I've got a bin of some other Barbie and Ken things here I'm looking through. With the dolls and some of the action figures and toys, I'll kind of set them aside and make a pile. And when I do my eBay listings, I do them by category. So one day I might go through and do all the doll stuff. One day I might just do jewelry. One day I might just do clothing. It's just easier for me when I do my listings, but everyone's different. Everyone can do their own thing. So just my little vlog, just kind of telling you guys like how I do my eBay stuff. And right now I'm taking time. I did some listings earlier and I'm just taking time to clean up the dollies so I can get them listed later on. All right, and they don't endorse me in any way. I'm just saying this because it works. If you need to wash old doll clothes or vintage fabrics, the most gentle way that I've noticed is to use Woolite and hand wash them in cold water. Yeah, there it goes. Now it's focusing. To use Woolite, yeah, and just some cold water, and that seems to help. Just be careful when washing some fabrics because they can fall apart. Some fabrics are so fragile, I don't recommend washing them. If it's really antique or something like that, then you might have to contact maybe like some professional or some person who specializes in antiques to see what they would recommend. But yeah, tried and true, old school Woolite. So in this bin, this is all stuff that I have listed recently. This King Kong guy is from 2016. He was from a yard sale. I think I have him up for $30 plus shipping. Here's a Monster High Frankie Stein doll, and she was only $2.99. James found her for me at a Savers, and I put her up for I think around $20 plus shipping. I think I have plus shipping on her. This is cool. This is a Last Rites kit. It's vintage, complete, never used, made out of wood and like bronze, a bronze type of metal. This is a vintage Coach Willis bag. I paid $10 for this at a flea market, and right now I have it up for $79.99, shipping included. Although after a while, if it doesn't sell, I try to lower the price a little bit or send out offers to watchers. I also have like this is an old pencil case here. I've got some jewelry in here, a railroad hat. Let's see, some glass grapes. This is really retro. Some people buy the vintage dancewear. This is a leotard from Sears from back in like the 70s. New in the pack. No one opened that. No one wore it. Very cool. And then there's more like little trinkets and things and jewelry pieces in here. But yeah, trying to get stuff listed, trying to get items processed so we can get it up online.
Balloons.
There it is. It's got balloons.
Oh my god. Oh, look at that.
Yay.
Is this even a driveway? We're gonna find out.
It didn't say what time, but I see lots of cars here.
Yeah. Well, it's time now.
So it looks like it's going on.
It's now.
It's on like Donkey Kong.
It's now. We're gonna park right here. Perfecto mundo.
VIP.
You got a mask?
Yes.
Mask up.
Buttercup.
Scavengers, here we go.
Woo. Okay, so I spent $15 and let's show the haul. This was from, again, that VFW, like rummage sale, flea market, whatever you want to call it. So here's a Guess brand purse. That was $3. It was kind of cute. I don't normally sell Guess. They don't normally have a big resale value. But I thought that one was kind of cute, where maybe I could sell it for like 12 bucks, 15 bucks online. Or maybe just keep for myself. Again, everything we bought goes towards the veterans. So some stuff is good for resale. Some stuff we might keep or donate back. We just wanted to have fun and shop there and then support a good cause. This one I think I could definitely sell online. This is an Amy Kestenberg purse, and this is all leather. Like, this pull string here is leather. It has this cool iridescent looking zipper pull. And I think I could get maybe $25 to $30 for this purse because it's all leather and it looks like it's in good shape. I paid $3 for this purse at the sale. And then, let's see, there's some jewelry stuff in here. These looked like they could be silver, but I didn't check it for any markings yet. And it does have a mother of pearl design. This was like 50 cents. And then here's a watch, Anne Klein. Anne Klein isn't normally good for resale, but I noticed with some of the Anne Klein chunky, gaudy, more of the statement pieces, the watches and costume jewelry, some of those could bring some money. So it was a nice shape, and they were asking $1. And Jack is just demanding attention. He is a huge crybaby, loves to cry all the time.
I'll go pet him.
Go pet him, honey. And then this is a piece that I picked up. So there's this necklace here. There's this bracelet here, and they look like they all match. There's some earrings, and the earrings are marked. Oh, the one fell. But they are marked 12 karat gold filled. So this set is all gold filled, and I'm starting a little collection of gold filled jewelry. It's not high dollar really, but people do like to collect the gold filled jewelry for scrap or maybe just for their own jewelry collections. And it looks really nice. It does look like real gold. It does have gold filled, means there is some gold in it, but it's mixed with other metals. And I picked these up for maybe like a couple bucks. So I thought that was a nice set. Oh, there's the other earring. So yeah, it's a clip-on or like a screw-back earring. So those are probably from the 1960s. It does look very vintage. It is really cute. All right, this I grabbed. It was marked $2. I don't think she charged me $2. This is Juicy Couture. These are Juicy Couture earrings. And I noticed Juicy Couture clothing and jewelry seems to be popular again. It used to be really popular back in the early 2000s. Like Paris Hilton would wear Juicy Couture and walk around with her little Chihuahua dog. All right, there's a vintage brooch there, and it's marked Sarah Coventry. Sarah Coventry. And some of those sell. Sarah Coventry isn't as big and fancy as Trifari, but I think that might be able to bring between 10 and 15 bucks. And then these I just didn't know. They just looked kind of fun. It's probably just crappy costume, but that's all right. I grabbed them thinking, you know, with the jewelry, I was just getting stuff that looked like it could be interesting, and sometimes you grab crap, sometimes you grab good stuff. I think this is just crappy costume, but it's kind of fun. Maybe I could use that for one of my cosplay Mummy and the Monkey outfits or something. So there is my haul right there. Thank you guys, and I'm going to switch over to, we're going to show what James bought.
How's it been? It's your boy James here, other half of the Monster Hustle, reporting in what I picked up at excuse me, at that church, or that VFW, VHF, I didn't think of VHS tapes. I got VHS at the VFW. Yeah, I picked up a bunch of VHS tapes, probably 30 of them, but some other funny stuff I found was this Baywatch soundtrack CD. Not worth anything. This here, Bible story, the Bible and its story, Volume 3, the history, Joshua to Samuel. And look this one up. It's maybe about, I don't know, 20 bucks on a good day. It's got some engravings in it. In the 1930s it was made. Nothing too super fabulous there. But, you know, for $1, I thought I'd pick it up. I can even close it. But I'll show you the VHS tapes I got. Those, not all of them, but some that I think are okay. That actually, when I looked up and I comped, they were pretty good. So, okay, here we go. Nothing But Trouble with Demi Moore, Chevy Chase, Dan Aykroyd, and John Candy. Not too bad. It could sell for like 15 bucks. Smokey and the Bandit 2. I was going to lot this up with the Smokey and the Bandit. No, I can't remember. With the other Smokey and the Bandit, I got I think I had 1 and 2. I listed this one, the Cannonball Run. This actually is like a $20 VHS tape. Also listed this Elvira Haunted Hills. Or no, this is just a regular Elvira movie. Mistress of the Dark. I think I put this up for 15 bucks. Here's Smokey and the Bandit 2. I'm gonna have to watch these. I don't think I've ever seen these movies. They were just so kind of doofy to me as you know, growing up. I didn't have karate or superheroes or robots or monsters in it, so I didn't really care about it. But I do like me some 70s movies, so even anything now, I like just catching up with stuff I haven't seen for whatever reason. Bravo Company, this is a $20 VHS. This one actually comped out of all the stuff I bought. Some of these ones are ones I've never heard before, pretty obscure. This one too is pretty good. Chameleon 3 Dark Angel. I think this goes for about 25 or 30 bucks on a good day. I like sort of odd action hero people like Steven Seagal, who was a big action hero but has evolved into someone who's very strange. And then Richard Grieco, who appeared on 21 Jump Street TV show, was kind of another like version of Johnny Depp or something, but he made a bunch of bad like action movies. I just like to watch that kind of stuff. And this was probably the best VHS tape I got. It was a copy of the Goonies. And the difference about this one, it doesn't have a barcode, and for some reason that makes it worth a little bit more. This could be about 40 bucks, so that's what I'm gonna go for. And that's pretty much it for me. That's all. I just really picked up videotapes. They had a mountain of them. I did have Jaws 1, 2, and 3, I think, and 4, but they had some mildew on them, so I had to toss those. But anyway, these are pretty good. But anyway, there you go. That's what I got to show. All right, thanks for joining us, me, and I guess Janet will take it from here. Thanks. Bye.
Well, we're here in our sunroom, also known as our studio, for the Mummy and the Monkey show. These are the antique chairs that we picked up at a Habitat for Humanity store. Earl's trying them out. He's quality control here at the Mummy and the Monkey. He has to make sure that the chairs are comfortable, right, Earl? How are they so far? Are they okay? He seems content. What's really cool about these chairs is they have claw feet. I love the claw feet. We did buy fabric. We're going to recover these chairs, and we're thinking of using them for the Hairy Scary Hangout. And I also want to repaint. I want to paint that ugly wood paneling that's in this room. This sunroom was added onto the house back in the 70s, so it does have a very, has an ugly 70s look. And, you know, there's our set and all our piles of stuff. This room is always messy, but that's okay because it looks like Halloween threw up in here, and it's always changing and evolving. So yeah, this is the next DIY project we're going to work on. Thank you guys for watching the show. Thank you, Earl, for trying out the chairs. If you guys like the reselling videos, if you like our horror movie hosted show, if you like us talking about B-movies and finding vintage things, then you might dig this channel. Please hit like, please hit the subscribe button, and we'll work on more content for you guys out there. Thank you. Bye. Mwah.
Look at them trees, though.
Like, look how fast that's moving.